Hi guys. So I gathered my information around 8:30 p.m. nightly in North Pole, Alaska. Started a little later in the week. My site is in a box on my front porch. I did have to bring the thermometers in one day to untangle the wires. uh, this past week was a lot warmer than last time I did this. The temperature stayed about the same for the week. I did notice that the pressure has gone up, though. The wind was a lot more active this week. Um, it was coming from like the southwest, and on the days that it was windy, there were a couple days that there was no wind. The clouds, I noticed that the coverage started to expand throughout the week. Tonight, the sky looked like the stratus clouds, which was also one of the colder days that I recorded as well. Also, today had the highest pressure as well. Um, Here's a graph of my weather. Then here is the pressure. As you can see, it went up quite a bit this week. Um, Snow in my area didn't really change. We did have a couple days where there was blowing snow, and another day it snowed, and the snow was more like little pellets coming down. Compared to the first 5 days of weather observation, this week was just much warmer overall. The pressures were about the same from last time. Uh, But last time, the cloud coverage was a lot denser than today or this past week. Um, yep. So, uh, I'm thinking some of those higher numbers that I have in my temperatures is because I did bring the thermometer in one day to mess with it and put it back out. Um, but yeah, this you know they were pretty much right on top of each other. Um, Not too much of a difference. And yeah, so the first 5 days, like I said, was a lot colder than this. This was a warmer week overall. Um, yeah, and that's all I have to say. Thank you guys.